How to identify a song from a YouTube video. First of all, open YouTube in your phone. After this, just watch any random video or songs that you want to. There might occur some problems such as background noise and the problem of your computer device where the sound is not working. In this case, let's see how you can identify a song by watching its video. First of all, see the title of the song. But somehow if the title is not given in the given video, just go on more. Here you can see more information about the given channel. Here you can see the title of the song. Even the links where you can download the song have been pasted here. But in the case you don't find more information on the given YouTube channel, it would also be a good idea to go through the comment section. It would be of a great help if somebody has mentioned the name of the song in the comment section, but in the case nobody has mentioned it, there are also many websites where you can identify or find the song that you are looking for by just typing its lyrics. The websites such as Audio Tag will help you find the song that you are looking for. Not only Audio Tag, but there are tons of websites such as Sajam, Search for Lyrics, Song Search, and many others where you can search your song just by watching the YouTube video when you know the lyrics. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please do subscribe our channel.